If you've been wondering how possible it is to make a shipping container home look like any other conventional build, then this amazing project in Eugene, Oregon is a true testament of the amazing possibilities of building with shipping containers. This beautiful house is built with 2 shipping containers, and it is given your conventional hipped roof, making it look like any other house in the neighborhood. On the inside, you will see remnants of corrugated shipping containers left to celebrate the building blocks of this amazing house. This is a view of the kitchen, showing a U-shaped kitchen with big kitchen windows and a center island that serves as a dining cum a breakfast counter. You will see enough closet spaces, exposed corrugated container walls painted in red to make them stand out against the conventional plasterboard interior walls. This is a view of one of the bedrooms, an amazing view. The big bedroom window for maximum daylighting. A view of one of the bathrooms. This is the view of the laundry area. That's a feature wall, and it is housing a flat screen TV mounted as shown. A view of another bedroom, a bunk bed for that matter. Big glass windows, a well lit indoor bedroom space. A view of the same bedroom from another angle. I like the use of this overhead storage for the bookshelf. You will notice the exposed corrugated container walls and ceiling. This is a mini split system mounted on the wall to enhance indoor thermal comfort. That's a view of the house from a different elevation. You will notice the hipped roof, the reinforced concrete foundation to elevate the containers away from moisture above the ground. That's the frontal view showing the main entrance accessed with a few steps because the containers are elevated off the ground, sitting on a concrete foundation. That's the general view of the living space with the kitchen, dining, and the lounge areas. That's a closer view of the dining and the lounge in the background. This is the lounge area showing the use of polished, shiny, low maintenance floor finish. You'll notice the exposed corrugated container ceilings and this open seam for the interior container walls that were cut out to create an amazing indoor living space. This is a view of another bathroom. You'll notice the feature wall of using the exposed corrugated container walls is quite noticeable. A view of the same bathroom from another angle. The view of the kitchen space, you'll notice it has apartment-sized appliances, enough overhead and under the counter storage cabinets. This amazing house is an active listing going for $319. It is over 800 square feet, sitting on a 0.2 acre lot with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Would you purchase this amazing house for the listing price? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you've been wondering how you can build your own shipping container home, worry not. We have done the heavy lifting for you by putting together one of the best and comprehensive building guides for shipping container homes on the market. This comprehensive book contains more than 300 pages of hands-on advice, real-life examples, and step-by-step building instructions designed to take you from dream to reality. Inside this book, you'll find 14 detailed chapters. They cover everything from understanding what shipping containers are. You will learn about sourcing and buying of shipping containers. Inside there, you'll also find out planning, budgeting, and costing for your shipping container house. This guide goes ahead to tell you more about site preparation and the best foundation to use for your shipping container project. In addition, the most critical part of shipping container architecture, which is ventilation, insulation, and condensation, are the most detailed chapters in the book. You'll also have information on electrical and mechanical systems. There's a detailed coverage of interior and exterior finishes. Inside the book, you'll find a free bonus. We have given you a floor plan of our most popular design. In addition, you'll find a real case study of a shipping container getaway in the Caribbean. This guidebook is packed with full color images and illustrations, making every step clear, visual, and easy to follow, even if you are new to construction. This is the most detailed building guide on shipping container architecture you'll find on the market today. Feel free to download 2 free chapters of the book using the link below. If you enjoy the 2 chapters, go ahead and purchase the book using the links in the description below. The book comes as a paperback. There's an ebook and also an audio version of the same. If you like it, give us a positive review and recommend it to other readers. Enjoy the reading, enjoy the building.